Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to actually talk about something that was asked also as a question, which was, are there other options that we can view about the graphics processor in the Task Manager? And yes, there are, and a lot of people have never noticed this, but let's go and examine the Task Manager in the graphics processor section. Right-click in your taskbar in Windows 10 or on the Start menu in Windows 11 and go to Task Manager. Here, click on your GPU, and like many of us, this one has only one, but if you have a gaming machine or you have a modern machine, you might actually see that there is two GPUs on your PC. By default, the GPU sections are 3D, copy, video decode 1, and then you have the shared or the memory usage of the GPU, depending on what type of processor you have. But you might have not noticed this. There's a little down arrow in Windows 10. On Windows 11, there's no down arrow, but when you click on the options, you can actually change these different options. So for example, I can go here, click on 3D, and say, no, I want to have legacy overlay. And here I can click on copy and say I want to have GDI render. So depending on what exactly you want to see and know about of what your graphics GPU is doing, you can change these sections here and choose other options to show you. So there's many different options. What you see here is on this processor in this machine. Your own GPU might have different options. An example, in my Windows 11 machine, which is a gaming machine, I have the Radeon graphics, standard Radeon graphics, but I have an NVIDIA GeForce. If I click the options there, both have different options to offer me. So depending on the type of GPU you have different options. You can have options that have to do with virtual reality. You can have options that, if I look at my gaming machine, in the GPU side for NVIDIA GeForce, I will get options like security, like VR. And so these are different than when I look at the CPU that you see here, which doesn't have the same thing. There's also a timer one. Another one is called compute. So depending on the graphics processor, and of course also possibly the Windows version you have different options that you can show here. So you can change what information you have in these four boxes here to something that maybe is more what you want to see and the performance in how your GPU is actually working. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.